At Speed Comparer, we like to film normal cars. But sometimes, I don't like to film normal cars at all. And that's why I like to come to Alleman Performance to help me out. But there's one car for everybody. And all you subscribers have subscribed to me for something different. And today YouTube has awarded me for 100,000 subscribers with this silver play button. And I would just like to say thank you very much, YouTube, for awarding me with the silver play button. Yes! Ever since I was a little girl, I've loved cars. And I have, through you guys, finally been able to follow my passion and to review cars. And now there is 100,000 of you. And that's more than 99,000. And for that, YouTube has given me the silver play button. And obviously you've seen me unbox it before, but here it is in detail. So, you open the box, and you are greeted by some foam. You take the foam away and you are greeted by a letter. And the letter says, I'll read it to you right now. Jesus. You've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. You probably don't care about the rest. Here is la pièce de résistance. That means the big mushroom in Italian for all of you guys. And it is the silver play button. Here we go. Unboxing it. This would be much easier if I wasn't fat. Okay. Wow. Ah. There it is. It says presented to Speed Comparer for passing 100,000 subscribers. And then there's a mirror in it so that you can see your ugliness. I would just like to say thank you so much, guys, and thank you, YouTube, for giving me this opportunity. Sternbinnen Foods. The other things you get inside the box are you get a card that says it was packaged by Rick, and you get some super dry. Someone is busy revving their Golf R. First world problems. And what do we have underneath? Because there's a secret hidden compartment. I'm just kidding, there's not.